folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be going old school lunch, that is. I'd found a recipe on there for the old sloppy joes they used to make at school. Now I don't know if it's all the schools, if they all had the same menus or not, but we cut this one down to, we're going to be using 2.5 pounds of burger with it. Now the ingredients there, the proportions of it is a little bit crazy when we cut it down. But anyway, what you're going to need, 3/8 cup of diced onion. Now I went ahead to save time. We're just going to be using dry onion, and I cut that down a little bit more for it. 1 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. It calls for 7/8 cup of tomato paste and ketchup. I went ahead and just went with a full cup on both those. So I did alter that just a little bit there. And then 1 3/4 cups of water, 1/4 cup plus 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 1/8 teaspoons of dry mustard, 3/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon and 2 3/4 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'd say you can just get by with 2 tablespoons. But first off, what we're going to do, we'll start cooking the burger. We'll get it going, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully it's going to be good. Hopefully this will bring back some good memories. First off, we'll start off browning the burger up. I ain't going to bore you doing all that there, showing you that. And you probably hear a fan in the background. It's back up hot. Let me see what the temperature says here. Thermometer in there shows 92 out right now. I woke up this morning, I don't know what in the world. Back a hurting and just sick all over. I don't know. Laid back down for just a little bit. We did get the animals took care of and everything. I went and checked on Mom and Dad. I don't know what hit me there today. But I'll get this fried up, and I'll show you the next step. Alrighty, we've got it browned up there now. We'll get our mustard here and garlic powder. Put our mustard and garlic powder in. Stir that up. Alrighty. We get our water, and I just went ahead and put our onions down in the water. We get my little spatula here. Now let me grab our apple cider vinegar, get our tomato paste, put in here. Now I liked the sloppy joes when I went to school, but I believe my favoriteest thing was they called them pizza boats. It was like pizza on French bread, I guess. All I know, it was good. I couldn't wait for them days. Now we're just going to stir this up here. It's all good and mixed up. Leave in the comments there what your favorite was when you went to school. Slide off burner. I turned the heat down a little bit. Let me get the rest of our ingredients. Here's our brown sugar and our pepper. Now let's get this all mixed up. And then we'll turn the heat on down a little bit more and let this simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. And hey, we'll be done. The only thing the recipe didn't call for is salt. I'm pretty sure when we go try it here in a minute, we'll need to add a little bit of salt. May not. I've been wrong before. Just ask Carolyn. She probably can't hear me right now with that fan running. I didn't hear nothing. Of course, she's probably sitting in there agreeing. Alright. We'll cover this up here now. Let this simmer. I'll look around. We've used all the ingredients up, folks. We'll see in just a little bit. Now, folks, I gave it a try. I thought it needed a little bit of salt. I put about a half a teaspoon of salt in it. But it's coming together. Alrighty, folks, here it is. We've done tried it a little bit. We're getting ready to do a sample for you all. Carolyn, what do you think of it?
I think it's delicious. Better than store-bought.
You too, Dixie? Okay, she gave her opinion.
I'm not a big sloppy Joe person. I don't, particularly care for them, but this here I could eat a lot of it.
All right, let's do our taste test. Reach in, grab you a sandwich.
Alrighty.
Delicious.
Really good, folks.
Yep, delicious.
I may have got a little bit too much on something. Now, this is my plate. Got me some cucumbers out of the garden. I'm going to put me a pile right here. I like to dip my sloppy Joe with chips. So everybody liked it then?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, delicious.
Delicious.
Chuck, did you all have sloppy Joes at school?
I don't remember having sloppy Joes at school.
Did you have any sloppy Joes at school, Dan, when you went? No?
No.
Well, back in the 70s and 80s, we had sloppy Joes at school, where I went to school at.
I was in school in the 70s.
Oh, you was the late 70s, eh?
80s.
Well, like I said, I like the sloppy Joes, and this tastes just like it. But my favorite was the pizza boats. Nothing happened to look for that coming up in a video before long. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. The recipe will be down in the description. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank y'all again for watching.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky. Morning dew and a rooster's cry. Garden row stretching far and wide. Another summer day on the countryside. Tomatoes growing, beans on the vine. corn standing tall in line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold. Simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holmans' homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans' homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holmans' homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holmans' homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here